Welcome to another One With Math video. Today's video will be proving 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus all the way up to 2n minus 1 is equal to n squared for all integers n greater or equal to 1 with mathematical induction. To do this, we'll have our left hand side, we have our right hand side. We need to show the base case is true and the inductive case. So here's the base case. When n is equal to 1, left hand side will be just 1, right hand side will be just 1 squared. Simplify each of these. 1 is just 1, whereas 1 squared is 1. These two are equal, so we've successfully shown the base case is true. Next, we need to show the inductive case. In order to do the inductive case, we need to state whatever we assume is true. So let's assume that this proposition, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus all the way up to 2k minus 1 is equal to k squared, is true for all integers k greater or equal to 1, which is basically the same thing as what we're trying to prove, but with k instead of n. Next, we also need to clearly show the next step, the next proposition, k plus 1. So we need to show 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus all the way up to 2k minus 1. And then we'll take this 2k minus 1, the last term of this series, and put in the next term. So we're going to substitute k plus 1 for k. Simplify this, we get 2k plus 1. Will that equal to the right hand side? Which, if we substitute k plus 1 for k squared, we get k plus 1 quantity squared. So we need to show that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus all the way up to 2k minus 1 plus 2k plus 1 is equal to k plus 1 quantity squared is also true. So to do this, we'll look at this left hand side, and then we'll notice this portion right here, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus all the way up to 2k minus 1. From our assumption, this must be equal to k squared. And then don't forget the 2k plus 1. Next, k squared plus 2k plus 1. If we factor it, this is k plus 1 quantity squared. It's a perfect square trinomial. And this k plus 1 quantity squared is the right hand side of what we're trying to show. So we have successfully shown that the case is true. Last step is we need to state our conclusion. So by mathematical induction, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus all the way up to 2n minus 1 is equal to n squared is true for all integers n greater or equal to 1. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more, and click the next video on screen to keep learning. Thank you.